I just love watching TV. What should I do now? Like, there's like nothing to do. Cole, James aren't here. There's like nothing to do. And there's like nothing to do. They aren't here. Wait, I don't know what to do. Wait, I'm bored. I don't want to like stay here. Wait, in my house being bored. Wait, what should I do? Wait, Cole is in here. James is in here. What should I do? Ow, why does my head hurt like that? Ow. I don't know why, but okay. The movies theater is open. The school isn't open because, it's summertime and, yeah. Oh, the supermarket is open, but I got no money. I wonder who house this is going to be. I wonder who house that's going to be. There must be something behind here. I see something over here, but I don't know what that thing is. However, go check it out. What is it? Oh, some kind of building that is in the making. Who knows? We might see in the future. Who knows? I don't know whose house this is, but I'm going to take a dive. Whose house is this? I want to check. Oh. The back door is open. Man, they have a big couch. Wow. Water, food. Don't really have anything in here that is, there is a bed and a bathroom or a hot tub, I don't even know. And other bathroom, so that is the hot tub. There aren't a lot of rooms in this house, but no, I'm leaving this house because I don't know who lives here. I wonder where is Cole and James. Like, they aren't here. The portal is still here, just in case. Whoa. This place is really cool. What should I do now? Like, there is like nothing to do in this place. Wait, what should I do? Oh, the library is up, but, not up, but it is open. Well, it should be closed by now because it's sort of getting late. There should be another portal that should show up. Like, there should be. Yeah, I don't know what to... What is this? Why did I just got this book? Dear past self, I want you to know that Lord is still out there and haunting you with a new villain, and his new name is The new villain name is what? Dragon Lord Gem? Dragon Lord must be still out there with a new villain, but I don't know what his name is. Well, me and Cole and James must figure this new villain out quick. What house should I put the gem in? Ooh, I know where I should put it in. This might be a stupid idea, but it'll be it'll be safe in my house. Where is the garage? Oh, in here. Right there. And I just need a door. There it goes, and I just need one more thing before I really close the door. Like this, and you couldn't get out if you could. There it goes. I'm going to keep the book, but where is my bedroom? My bedroom is right here, but I don't want to keep the book in there. This might be my bedroom, but where am I gonna keep the book at now? I'm gonna put it in this room. Where should I put it at? Oh, there it is. And this one, right there. Well, I just put it in. Oh, I can't put the book anywhere. I don't know why, but okay. Finally morning, and I don't know what to do now. Cole isn't here and James isn't here. I must tell them. But they aren't here. Oh no, it starts to thunder. That bad. Where is the portal that could probably show up? Oh, there is the portals. I just need to wait until they come through the portal. I just need to wait until they come back, so I could tell them, give them the book, and they could read it. So, yeah. See you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye.